Student, today we are going to learn under estimating and costing what is the objective of costing. Number 1, to detect wastage and uneconomical activities. Costing data helps in detection of wastage of resource and undesirable expenses and helps management to taking corrective measurement within the time. Number 2, to determine the selling price of product. To determine the selling price of a product. It helps in fixing of selling price of the product or service not only in normal condition but also under various stressing market conditions. Selling price depend on cost of production, market situation, government policy, competition, change in fashion, also income level of pupils. Number 3 objectives to cost control. Cost control is reducing the cost of production by controlling the wastage of material, labor and other expenses. Cost control helps to improve the efficiency of organization as a whole. Number 4, to cost reduction. Okay. Number 5, to assisting management, to help management in decision making. It provides information and data which help management in taking decision on policy matter of the organization. Number 6, to help the management to prepare its budget, as costing gives actual expenses on various items during manufacturing cycle, on the basis of which the management can prepare future budget for the expenses. Okay.